so question number 18. I don't know what exam it is, but anyways. So how we do this one? They gave you the function as a graph. So piecewise, this is what we call piecewise functions. All right, so in pieces, but graphically they give you, right? So now we are looking for what is the domain, what are the domain and range, right? So we want two things, the domain and the range. So let's start with the domain. So do you remember what is the domain? Very good. Domain is projection on the axis, right? So if you project on the axis, let's zoom in. So you are looking for the shadow, right? So the shadow this on the axis is going to be this point here. For this one, it's going to be this. For this one, it's going to be this one. And for this one, it's going to be this. So the first segment, this one, it's going to be projected here on the axis. It's going to be shaded because shaded in here. All right. And then it's going to be open here because it's open here, right? And then I'm going to project right now the other part, which is this part over here. I'm projected on the axis. So because, let me change the color, because this is shaded, this point here is going to be shaded, and this is in red. All right? And then this shade is going to go all the way up to this point. And because this one is not shaded, so this is not going to be shaded. Are we okay? Now I am doing the union. So the union, you see all of these here is blue, shaded blue, and here empty. However, the red part is shaded in this empty part. And then you're gonna go all the way to here. So because this is at the same time shaded and not shaded, it will become shaded. So it's shaded part of non-shaded, right? So it's shaded. We're good? So the domain here, you're gonna start from -4, open, and close at 4, close here. There is no interruption because this is point, it was shaded in the end, right? By the second one. Does it make sense? So the domain here, let's go back to the domain. Domain of F is gonna be from -4, open, all the way to 4, closed. All right. Even, please notice, guys, even if you write it down -4 to 2 here, and this is closed, and union 2 open to 4, this part here will become connected. All right, you cannot leave it this way. It has to be connected. It cannot at the point, it cannot be open and closed at the same time. If you have open and closed, that's mean closed. That's mean included. Are we okay? When you're gonna make a separation, you cannot connect them together whenever both of them are open. I hope this is clear. That's the only time that you keep it separated. If both of them are open from both sides, you keep it separated. However, if one of them is open and the other one closed, they connect. All right, so this is the wrong notation. We don't need it. And this should be your answer, right? That's for the domain. All right, so this is the range right now. And the range, what is it? Is the projection on what? On the y's, right? Very good. So this is my graph again. I'm gonna use different colors. So this segment over here, I'm gonna project it horizontally. So the projection of this one is gonna go this way. The projection of this one is gonna be this way. So this is 3 over here, by the way, right? So the projection of that green part is right here. We got it? Now, let's go for the ends. This is shaded, so this is gonna be shaded as well. This is open, so this is gonna be open as well. So this part is gonna be projected in here, right? We are okay? So starting at 3, ending at 4. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one, so let me change the color. So this yellow part, You're going to be projected on the Y. So this point here, you're going to be projected here. This point, you're going to be projected here. This is -3 again. And again, let's do the same thing. So because this is closed, you're going to be closed over here. And this is open, so you're going to be open over here, right? Yep. And then right now, everything else is shaded. This part here is shaded. So this is closed, this is open, and that's your interval, right? So now, do you notice here that there are two segments differently? They are not attached. So you're gonna write them down as a range of f. Start from the lowest end, which is this one, -3, open or closed? Open, so parentheses, very good. Ends at 2. 2 is gonna be closed, right? And then you're gonna start again at 3. So 3 is open because it's circled there. And you're gonna end at 4, right? 4 is closed. And how you connect them right now, you put the union sign between them. And that's basically it. That's your range. All right, so your correct answer is gonna be B. And you are set.